Okay, you guys, so basically, I recently got a deep fryer. I don't know why I had been thinking about getting a deep fryer for so long, but it was heavy on my mind, okay? So I got a deep fryer, it was 30 bucks. I was like, that's literally like dinner. Like I can buy something at the same price I could buy dinner for. So I did get a deep fryer. I have already made several things in here, but I forgot to film it. So I was like, let me start filming it. Also, this is like the opposite of Nara Smith. Like nothing from scratch, mainly frozen things. Although I did make wings. I cleaned, seasoned, and marinated. Get into it. I don't know if you can see that, but get into it. This is unrelated to the deep fryer, but I also made deviled eggs the other day. I'm on egg flight TikTok. Oh my god. I already love boiled eggs, but like egg flight TikTok is next level. Also, I've been obsessed with pickled onions, and those are perfect on like any type of egg flight. Anyway, irregardless, dude.
But like, irregardless.
What else did I make? I made tater tots in it yesterday. I made frozen chicken tenders and fries in it the other day. Like, everything is just so much better in here, and I know that deep frying isn't good for you. Like, I just need to scratch the itch of like trying everything I've ever wanted to try in a deep fryer first, and then I like won't use it as much. Cause like I have an air fryer, I have a rice cooker, I have a waffle maker, I have a microwave. Like I have all these devices, and that's always how it went. When I first got it, I wanted to use it all the time, and then I just use as needed. So this is probably gonna be my last time using it for a while, but I'm gonna try and film everything that I cook in it tonight. I'm doing something crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I have this ripe kimchi egg kimbap. Get into it. This is either gonna turn out really bad or really good. I don't know which one, but I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up the oil. I'm just gonna put it on like 350 because pretty much everything around 350 is a good, como se dice, is a good temperature. Here it is. The ends look burnt, but then the rice doesn't necessarily look done. I don't know. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god. The center's still frozen, oh my god. The center's still completely frozen. Microwave, I guess. I'm also gonna put tater tots in here because tater tots might literally be the best thing to ever put in a deep fryer. It's kind of a duh. Okay, don't judge me, but I did add sriracha and pickled onions to this, so let's give it a try. Alright. It's pretty good. There's a lot going on here. I do like the crunchy aspect. I'm wondering if I should have microwaved it first, but I feel like it's better for it to be going in frozen so I can keep its shape, you know? It's good, but it's not great. I'm gonna be going in with some tater tots. Looks super good. And take it out. Super golden, super crisp. Oh, a little foggy. Get into the tots. The crunch with the ketchup is everything. Let's get some ASMR. It's really good. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, welcome back. You're still in the same video. The last time I deep fried was on Thursday and today is Sunday. So it's been a few days. Let's get back to it. So my chicken has already been marinating for about an hour. You can definitely let it marinate for longer, but I'm hungry. But get into it. So this is what the chicken is looking like right now. Just marinating in a bunch of seasonings I'm about to put into the flour and egg. A little bit of egg for the binder. The next thing I'm going to do is put my flour mixture together. I know people like to dip in egg, wash, and then flour, and then back and forth. But honestly, I'm just not trying to do all that. So that's why I already have the egg on there. But anyway, all right, so all I did was 1 cup of flour. If I end up needing more flour, then I'll just add some more. I'm hoping this will be enough because last time I did way too much flour and I just had so much left in the bag. I was like, damn, that was very wasteful. Even though last time I had way more flour and way less chicken. I'm just seasoning the flour with everything I already seasoned the chicken with. So I'm starting with Tony's Creole seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, some cayenne, paprika, garlic, onion. Now I'm just gonna mix up the flour. It says preheat to 350 and we're gonna cook it for 8 to 12 minutes. So now I'm gonna go in with the chicken. Going with the chicken into the flour mixture. Let me start to mix. Somehow this might be enough flour. Okay, maybe. It's actually working really well. Also, this is like the easiest way to ensure your freaking meat is like coated everywhere. And leave some air in there so it can dance around. I literally, me acting like I'm a cooking expert, I can't even follow a recipe. I just like look at things and then recreate it. Maybe I'll see a recipe, but I'm not gonna look at it again. I already have like certain things that I'm probably editing in my mind. More specifically the seasoning. They never get the seasoning right on most recipes. So, you already know. Okay, the fryer is ready. Ooh, all right. I'll come back in 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, we're back and it's been 8 minutes. Let's go. Do I feel like it needs a little bit longer? Maybe. Let's do like 1 more minute. And the chicken is looking perfect actually. This is the color that I wanted. It's loud in here, but I'm gonna let this shake off. I actually had minimal flour left over, which is what I was going for. So for 15 like pretty big sized wings, it took a cup of flour. Not that this is a recipe video, because it's literally not. Like, I don't even know if these are good. Okay, so I'm gonna try it first with no sauce on it. It's just some parsley on top. It's definitely hot. The breading is definitely crispy. It's pretty dang good. I definitely want to let it cool off just a little bit first because it's super hot right now. Look at the breading. So good. Okay, the chicken should be close to done. I just took the chicken out. It looks fire. These are my wings. The other ones are over there, but I'm gonna go enjoy this. Thanks for watching.